$210. Baby lang yung mga kuha niya. Ito yung sample photos ng Diana Mini.
처음 만났었고 우린 낯설었고 언제 그랬냐는 듯 껴안은 채 아프단 말도 없이 난 처음이란 말로
Hello there everyone and welcome to another vlog. We're currently here at Hongdae Lomography to be exact. Dahil bumili ng film si Ate Joy for her film photography, and we found this filmography here at Hongdae. So for those people na gusto mag-film photography while you are in Korea at naubusin kayo ng film, you can buy here. And
Not card. Credit card.
and pwede kayo magpa-develop and scan dito. So nice. Exit 2. Tapos Google Maps na lang. Pretty cute. So we have Lomography. You can also buy disposable cameras and Lomography cameras.
So if you want to buy film cameras or pet Polaroid cameras, you can go here.
$210. So if you wanna buy film cameras or pet Polaroid cameras, you can go here at Lomography store in Hongdae. I was losing hope that I won't be able to buy any film for the Neverland trip, but this is such a savior. Sobrang gusto kong bumili. This is so good, but the only thing that you can take here is, you know, fisheye shots. But of course, it's also film. Heaven. Wide. Some bougie film. Because you sparkle, you're gold. Napakasimple niya, girl. What's this for? And this. Ito siya. This is for Seungri. Yeah, for rewind. So, the only thing is this doesn't have any light meter, huh? No light meter.
Yes.
Ito yung sample photos ng Diana Mini. So, ito yung regular size ng 35mm na film. Supposedly, kapag buo yung lens mo or buo yung coverage is mapupuno mo yung length niyan. Pero since mini lang siya, pakita mo. Bling! So, mini lang siya. Kaya, ganito lang kaliit yung image na napaproduce niya. So, ito pa yung mga ibang example. Pero, meron siyang flash, which means, katulad ng pinapakita dito, kapag madilim or tungsten light, ganda nito. Pwede mong magamit yung flash. So, yung set niya, meron na siyang kasamang flash. May Diana Mini na itong blue is, ay, shocks, ang ganda ng green. 121,000 won, which means it's around $121, less than a little bit less. But this is like the perfect color. Yoko na, girl. Ano, girl? Kakain pa tayo, girl. Balik tayo pagkatapos. Gusto kong bumili. Gusto ko, it's either...
Pag-isipan muna after natin.
It's either itong Diana. Kasi pwede ko hulugin. It's either yung Diana or... Wait, this is 38 lang? And this is 55. Wow, parang heaven talaga to, girl. Ano na nangyayari sa akin? Ito, 38 lang. Pero lomography siya. Wala siyang viewfinder. One push of the... Ganyan siya. Girl!
Sobrang gaan ka
Apat kasi yung
ano.
Yes! Okay, so ang cute nito action sampler. So, pag ginanon mo yung shutter niya, isang shutter lang, parang burst yung gagawin niya. And then, ito yung lalabas. Ito yung maliit na Diana, sobrang liit. Baby! Ha, baby lang siya. Tingnan nga natin. Gano'n ka baby lang? Ay, baby lang yung mga kuha niya, girl. Oh my gosh, ala, baby lang. Oh my gosh, sobrang cute. Baby lang siya yung mga kuha.
Madami sa Korea dito na
So, ito yung Holga. 39 lang. I feel like ito, magaan siya. Hold sang. Para man.
Oo, parang plastic. Actually, plastic siya.
Pero wala siyang view. Meron siyang viewfinder. Pero, may viewfinder siya. Pero, hindi ko alam kung parang saan yung shutter niya. Hindi ko makita yung shutter. Ito siguro yung shutter.
Cute.
Pero hindi siya wide. Pero 39 lang siya. Ito, pwede mo.
I'm as restless as a willow in a windstorm. I'm as jumpy as a puppet on a string. I'd say that I have spring fever, but I know it isn't spring. I am starry-eyed and vaguely.
So, after lomography, we're here at Aori Ramen, Hongdae branch. It's beside YGX and NB2. Ang lakas ng ulan. Super lakas ng ulan, guys. Tapos gutom na kami.
Gutom na ako.
Anyways, so hungry. Food is finally here. I love. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. This is it, the mango rice, PKG. It's the water. And here it is. Yummer.
So, chicken karage. This is the Aori ramen. And what they call the TKG, which is tamago kakiko. Comes with a free water. Bottled water. Guys, it's time to eat. Mix the rice. I have the egg with the rice now. Ito sa mga mo.
Really love it. Let's taste test ulit kung ito ba talaga yun ulit. Ganito pa rin kasarap.
Ganun pa rin kasarap.
Masarap pa rin siya.
Rainy Hongik University. So, this is Rainy Hongik University. Sobrang lamig. At, ganda ng mga leaves ng trees. Nakita mo yung mini Shibuya. Nasa mini Shibuya kami. Tingnan nyo.
Ayan, ang mini Shibuya natin.
Ayan, sana all, oh. Sana all.
Ayan, ang Ganda-ganda ng mga leaves ng trees.
It's raining.
Dahil sa part na yun.
Kami in Seoul, but it's still beautiful.
Super busog kami sa Aori Ramen. May bawat pa siyang bote ng Aori Ramen.
Souvenir입니다.
Hanachuseo! Hanachuseo! Ayan po, may nagpo-perform busking po dito sa Hongdae.